Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into exactly how you can build real job-ready programming skills without the crushing financial cost of a traditional degree or, one of those super expensive boot camps. If you've been putting off learning to code because of the steep price tag, well, you're in exactly the right place.
So let's start with the big question on every career switcher's mind. Do you actually need to spend thousands of dollars on an expensive boot camp to break into tech? And the simple, fantastic answer is absolutely not. Over the past decade, some of the world's top universities and leading tech giants have just completely opened up their curricula. They've made incredibly high-quality programming education freely available to literally anyone with an internet connection. It's not just about saving money, it's a total game changer for democratizing career growth. I absolutely love this brilliant insight by Chris Pine. He says, programming isn't about what you know, it's about what you can figure out. That perfectly captures why self-paced online platforms work so remarkably well. We aren't just talking about passive video libraries here. These platforms are built on proven instructional design principles that actually reward active problem solving, which, by the way, is exactly what employers are hunting for right now. Think about why these free ecosystems truly rival traditional education. First off, you get these beautifully organized course structures broken down into bite-sized logical modules, so you're never feeling overwhelmed. Plus, you learn entirely at your own pace. You get access to virtual testing environments, meaning you can write and run code right in your web browser, instantly. You're joining these massive, active global learning networks. And honestly, the best part? The core courses are completely free, yet a lot of them offer international standard certifications you can proudly slap on your resume. To help you pick the right platform for your specific goals, we're going to navigate through 5 key areas today. First, why free courses build careers. Second, the university experience online. Third, interactive and bite-sized learning. Fourth, industry-aligned tech skills. And finally, starting your coding journey. All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, Why Free Courses Build Careers, and how we're removing the financial barrier to tech. The true superpower of these free platforms is just how versatile they are. Whether you're an absolute beginner who's just kind of curious about how software is built, or you're already a working IT pro looking to add a brand new language to your toolkit, this ecosystem is built for you. It gives you structured lessons and hands-on exercises that translate directly to real employability. You are quite literally building a career from the comfort of your living room. Moving on to Section 2, the university experience online. Getting that Ivy League education directly from your living room. You really don't need to pay Ivy League tuition to get an Ivy League education anymore. Take MIT OpenCourseWare, for example. It gives you direct access to rigorous campus materials. We're talking full lecture videos and the exact same problem sets they give their own enrolled students. Then you've got edX, which was founded by Harvard and MIT, and Coursera, which partners with heavy hitters like Stanford and Google. These platforms let you audit world-class courses for free, and they offer verified professional certificates that carry serious weight in today's job market. When we talk about platforms like edX, you're going to hear the acronym MOOC thrown around a lot. That stands for Massive Open Online Course. This is the very vehicle that lets you audit those world-class classes without paying a dime. A perfect example is Harvard's globally renowned CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. Through this MOOC model, you're guided through complex problem solving and algorithms using the precise materials taught right on the Harvard campus. How cool is that? Coursera specifically embodies this MOOC philosophy with their guiding motto, Learn Without Limits. By offering full professional certificates and specializations, which by the way can take several months of real dedication to complete, they provide incredible academic depth. If you want true credibility to boost your career, but you want to completely skip the traditional college debt, this is exactly how you do it. Okay, let's dive into Section 3, interactive and bite-sized learning. This is all about hands-on coding from day one. Now, if you're strapped for time or just get easily overwhelmed, these interactive platforms are going to be your best friends. SoloLearn takes a mobile-first approach, so you can actually practice coding right on your phone during your morning commute. Need to start from absolute zero? Codecademy is brilliant because it automatically tracks your progress and uses an in-browser code editor, meaning you are running real code from lesson 1. Khan Academy pairs short videos with a live editor that visualizes your output instantly. And then there's Code.org, which offers an incredibly approachable entry point, walking you from simple drag-and-drop block coding all the way up to writing actual JavaScript. What you really need to take away here is the sheer accessibility of platforms like Code.org and Khan Academy. Because they're funded entirely by donations, they offer these uniquely approachable starting points without a single paywall or hidden premium tier. Whether it's block-based games built around Minecraft for the kids or advanced computer science fundamentals for adults, it's a 100% free sandbox to help launch your career. Next up is Section 4, Industry-Aligned Tech Skills, getting you prepared for employability and those tricky technical interviews. So there's actually a pretty critical difference in learning styles depending on what your ultimate career goals are. While university platforms lean heavily into theoretical computer science, platforms like Udacity and Pluralsight focus squarely on practical industry skills. Udacity, for instance, collaborates directly with tech giants like AWS and IBM. Their curriculum reflects current real-world industry demands, keeping a very clear eye on your immediate employability and career advancement. When you're ready to zero in on a major career upgrade, these are your heavy hitters. Need to learn a highly specific new framework? Well, Udemy has a massive marketplace of over 204,000 courses. Or maybe you need to master the exact tools used in actual enterprise environments. Pluralsight offers expert-led instruction aimed at working IT professionals. These platforms aren't just for theory, they're strictly tailored to ensure your skills match exactly what hiring managers are putting on modern job descriptions. Of course, the whole point of this is eventually passing that daunting job interview, right? Well, a really vital resource for that is Geeks for Geeks. It absolutely stands out with its immense bank of coding problems, complete with difficulty ratings and a built-in online compiler. It's designed specifically to help you master data structures and algorithms so you can walk in and confidently pass those rigorous technical interviews. Honestly, it's an absolute must-use tool for any tech job seeker. And that brings us to our final part, Section 5, Start Your Coding Journey. Taking that crucial first step today. You know, building a resilient, lucrative career through free online courses doesn't require some magic trick. It really just boils down to 3 simple, totally actionable steps. Step 1, pick just one platform we discussed today that fits your personal learning style. Step 2, commit to a regular practice schedule. Hey, even if it's just 15 minutes a day on your phone during lunch, it counts. And step 3, start writing your first lines of code today. I want to leave you with this really powerful thought from computing pioneer Dennis Ritchie. He said, "The only way to learn a new programming language is by writing programs in it." No matter which of these amazing platforms you choose to explore, the core key to success, the key to building your career, is simply writing that very first line. The tools are completely free, the knowledge is waiting for you, and the financial barriers are entirely gone. So I just have one final question for you. What will your very first line of code build?